So this is the question. Observe the question, pause the video and try to solve this question. In this question, the two right angle triangle are given. These are the two triangles and these are the 90-degree angle, that is right angle triangle. And we have to find the distance marked with question. It means we have to find this side. So this is the question. Let's approach the question. Before that, one thing you should know, in the trigonometry, if we are having the trigonometric angle and any of the one side and one angle, we can find all the missing dimensions of that triangle by using the trigonometric ratio. You should know the value of sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. These are the three formulas that you must know, and also this trigonometric ratio table. This trigonometric ratios formula and these trigonometric ratio table you must know. The questions will be asked in the examination based on the trigonometric ratio table and the trigonometric ratio formula. So you must know them. You can take the screenshot or you can download the PDF. The link is given in the description. The formula and the concept list of the trigonometry, it will be really helpful. So here, if we take this triangle, here one side is given and one angle is given. So once we got one angle and one side, we can find anything about that triangle using the trigonometric ratio. Let's see. Here, let's give the name of this side as x just for simplicity. The first step is to find the trigonometric sides. Here, this is a trigonometric angle which is 45 degree. So this side will be the perpendicular. Perpendicular is the side which is opposite to trigonometric angle. So 2 centimeter is a perpendicular for this triangle. And what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is the side which is opposite to 90-degree angle. So this side will be the hypotenuse for this triangle. And what is the linking between the perpendicular and the hypotenuse? It is sine theta. Sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Here angle theta, it is 45 degree, perpendicular it is 2 centimeter and hypotenuse it is x that we have assumed. So we got sine 45 degree is equal to 2 upon x. And what is the value of sine 45 degree? Let's refer the trigonometric ratio table. Sine 45 degree is 1 upon root 2. A small advice for you, just when you start your examination, draw a small trigonometric ratio table on the side as we have discussed in our trigonometric ratio table lecture. This trigonometric ratio table will be really helpful. In the mid of the examination, when you are solving the question, then if you try to draw the trigonometric ratio table, it may be clumsy, you may be in the hurry and you may do some silly mistake. So just when the exam is started, just draw a small trigonometric ratio table. It will hardly take 30 seconds. And it will be really helpful. So we got sine 45 degree is equal to 1 upon root 2. On solving, we got x as 2 root 2 centimeter. Got it? We got x as 2 root 2. Now let's take this triangle. In this triangle, we know one angle and we know one side. Again, once we know one angle and one side, we can find anything about that triangle. Let's see. Here the trigonometric angle is 60 degree. And this side we know as 2 root 2 and we have to calculate this side. Firstly, let's identify the trigonometric sides. Firstly, the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the side which is opposite to 90-degree angle. So this side is the hypotenuse which is given as 2 root 2 centimeter. And what is base? Base is the side between the 90-degree angle and the trigonometric angle. So this side will be the base for this triangle. Let's assume it as y. So let's proceed. What is the linking between the hypotenuse and the base? It is cos theta. Cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. So cos 60 degree will be equal to base upon hypotenuse. We got cos 60 degree is equal to y upon 2 root 2. And what is the value of cos 60? Let's refer the trigonometric ratio table. It is 1 by 2. Are you able to understand the importance of the trigonometric ratio table? Once this trigonometric ratio table is handy to you, you can solve all the questions related to the trigonometry very easily. So let's proceed. Let's find the value of y. On solving, we got the value of y as root 2. That is the answer of the question. Got it? Very interesting. So that's it for this lecture. Thank you very much for being with CREATA Classes. Check out the description for various links to various resources. If the content is helpful, like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you very much and best of luck.